In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a web page. Now, once you're logged into the site, you're going to notice this black admin bar at the very top. When you see that you have this bar here, that means you're logged in and you can modify your website as an admin. To get started, let's go ahead and go to the page we want to modify. We're going to go ahead and go to the What We Do page, and we want to fix a small typo here. Let's go and fix this. To modify the page, all you got to do is click on the Edit Page button at the top of the bar. This will take you to the back end of the web page. And while we're here, WordPress is going to load up the visual composer that comes with your theme. It's a very powerful visual editor. It allows you to add different components to your site. Let's go ahead and go through some of these real quick. Things like tables, buttons, image galleries, contact forms, Twitter buttons, Google Maps, and the items just go on and on. So you can make your page any way you like using this tool that comes with your theme. Next, let's go ahead and modify that page tool. Now, in this visual composer, like I said, it lays things out a little differently. You'll notice the page title is listed here. To modify it, you click on the screen button. Also, you got things like the space between the page title and more space down here. You got the 3 columns of content that you have, and you have some more spacing down here. If you wanted to add another component, you simply click on the plus symbol here, and that'll let you add another module. So back to the page title. To edit it, simply click on the Edit button. And in here, you could modify the page title from the wording. Let's go and fix that now. The size of the section, the image, the color backgrounds, and whatnot. Once you're done, you just hit Save. And you just hit Update. Once this finishes updating, you can then click on the View button to take a view at the page to see if the changes have gone through. And there you go. The page has now been modified. To make other things like modifying this section, like getting rid of this extra bullet point, the same thing, let's go back to the Edit page. We'll let the Visual Composer load. Go down to this section. We'll edit it. And we'll get rid of this extra bullet point. Save changes. Update page. And we'll view the page for the results. And there you go. The changes have been made. So along with, that's how you edit the page. Some other things you may want to do is you may want to just go ahead and go to the dashboard, which is on the back end of the WordPress site. This is the back end of your site. From here you can see things like every one of your pages. You can see the latest WordPress news. You could also make a quick post if you want to make a new page. And you could do things like modify your contact forms, and you could even create new pages if you'd like. So these are all the functionality. With your WordPress install, I've gone ahead and installed things like a virus scanner, so that way it protects your site from viruses and just hacking robots that come by and want to do your site harm. But that, for the most part, is a quick recap of how to edit web pages and a small introduction on what your WordPress site does.